Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about something that might surprise you. Yes, I lost weight while still eating carbs. I know, carbs have been getting a bad reputation for a while, but guess what? They don't have to be the enemy. I want to share my personal journey with you. How I managed to shed those extra pounds without cutting out the foods I love, like rice, bread, and even pasta. It's all about balance, smart choices, and understanding what works for your body. First things first, let's get something clear. Not all carbs are created equal. When people think of carbs, they often imagine cookies, cakes, or pizza. But carbs are also found in foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. And these are the types of carbs you can enjoy without feeling guilty. Refined carbs, like sugary snacks and white bread, can spike your blood sugar and leave you feeling tired and hungry. But complex carbs, like brown rice, sweet potatoes, and whole grains, are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These help keep you full longer, support digestion, and give you energy throughout the day. Now let me tell you the most important thing I learned. It's not about what you eat as much as it is about how much you eat. You don't have to completely avoid carbs to lose weight. You just need to eat them in the right amounts. When I started paying attention to my portion sizes,